So, hello, my name is Thomas, and my task was to basically describe the all professional tasks that we have been doing in module 1B, I guess. So basically, if we start from the economy, on the budgeting, we were doing exercises connected with willingness to pay, price elasticity, cross price elasticity, and basically all exercises connected with the costs. So we were looking at how the costs were created, and we were, for example, counting what is the willingness to pay for the people for a certain good or service, all those kind of things. On macroeconomy, we were looking at the multiplier. What is, for example, the effect if we increase the government spending, I don't know, by 10 millions or something like this. Then we were also putting this in Keynesian model, how the curve will move on. And then we were also looking at the fiscal policy, how we can actually control the economy by fiscal policy. If we look at this strategy implementation in international marketing and sales, we basically have been doing design brief. In my case, it was the design brief for Red Bull. I was changing the logo for Red Bull. It was quite interesting. Then we were also counting some exercises connected with cross price elasticity and price elasticity for, as I remember correctly, it was kind of cafe, and it was for products basically. Then we were also doing a pricing strategy for Allison and their new product line, One. We were trying to discover what would be the perfect price for them. It was actually super funny because all of the class members got like different results. Then when we moved to the organization development and project management, we were trying to figure it out how to make a project plan. We were dividing tasks into milestones, and this is pretty useful to our project 4. We are also talking in organizational development. We were making some kind of a recap from first and second semester about the mechanic and organic structures. That was quite useful. And the last thing that I would tell you in my first video is things that we were doing on our elective, entrepreneurship and innovation. We were working with startup ideas. Basically, we were working with business model canvas, how to put our idea there, how to use the model properly. And I found out that it is actually a really useful tool that all of us can use in our future life when we talk about startups. And basically me and my team discovered a pretty cool startup idea, what is called Stick It. It's kind of a product, kind of a plan. No, not a plan, but well, yeah, we were doing the fresh fruits, putting in a hot chocolate and then selling it on the street on some kind of stand-ups or those kind of things. Yeah, and it went pretty cool. I'm gonna show you guys the business model canvas for that and some maybe photos later. Yeah, and that was basically all. Thank you for the first video. I hope you're gonna like it. It was quite stressful. See you guys.